Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the 7th chapter of class 7 geography, that is the Europe. In the previous video we have already talked about the different qualities, inventions, discoveries and the contribution in the shaping the world. But in this topic we are going to discuss about the political division of the Europe. Means politically what are the which are the countries of different part we are going to discuss. So first of all we have classified the some countries with the different names, that are the Scandinavian countries, Low countries, Central Europe, Southern Europe, Balkan states, Mediterranean countries and so on. So let's discuss. See, all of you, I want to ask that please open the book and the map of the Europe that was in the page number 74, and then watch these videos. Okay. Before the watching the video, you all have must open the book, page number 74, and see the political division. Okay. Now, first of all, see we are seeing here the Scandinavian countries. The Scandinavian countries are the northern countries. If you see the map of the Europe, you can see the Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and Iceland are the countries. Norway, Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Iceland. These are the countries in the northern part of the Europe, and these countries are also known as Nordic countries because they lie in the northern part. Okay. Now, next one is the low countries. These countries are known as low countries due to the very low altitude. Means the height of the landforms is not so high, not high altitude. So these are called the low countries, and this is also known as Benelux. Actually, this Benelux is come from the countries, that is the BE of the Belgium, NE of the Netherlands, and LUX from the Luxembourg. These three countries are known as the low countries, and these countries also are in the western countries, you can say. These are also called the western countries. Okay. Now the western countries, in these countries, France, Ireland, United Kingdom. Means you say these Benelux countries and this France, Ireland, and United Kingdom, all these are come in the western countries. Okay. Now in these low countries, the lowest country is the Netherlands. Netherlands is the lowest country. Okay. Now the Central Europe. If you see the central part of the Europe, let's see on the map. Okay. We can see the Germany, Poland, Switzerland, Austria, Hungary, Czech Republic, and Slovakia. These are the countries called as the Central Europe because these countries are comes in the part of the Central Europe. So these are called the central countries. Now the southern country. If you see the southern countries, here this is the Spain, France, and all states, all the countries are also come in this part, but we see the southern part, that the Spain, Portuguese, and France are in the southern part. But all these are countries like Italy, Romania, Bulgaria. All these are the also southern countries, but we are naming these countries by other name. That is the Balkan states. Balkan states, you can see the Serbia, Montenegro, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Macedonia, Albania, Kosovo, Greece, Romania, and the Bulgaria. These are the countries of the called as the Balkan states, because if we see the history of these states, these are the part of the Istanbul, means these are the very fertile lands, and the many countries, many states are fighting for this region. But after the fighting, it will divided into the different two parts. You will learn it about in the history. Today in this video we are describing about the political division. So these are the Balkan state. Okay, now the next countries are the Mediterranean countries. Which are the Mediterranean countries? So let's see all the countries which lies on the border, which lies in the coast of the Mediterranean Sea, are called the Mediterranean countries. You can see the Monaco, Italy, Greece, Turkey, Bulgaria, many countries which lie on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. So these are called the Mediterranean countries. Okay. Now, if we talk about the eastern countries, the eastern countries means which lies in the eastern part of the Europe. That are the Russia, Belarus, Ukraine. These are the eastern countries. The largest country in the world is the Russia. Russia is the country which lies in the both Asia and the Europe also, in both continents. And the part of the Russia which lies in the Europe is called the European Russia, and the part of the Russia which lies in the Asia, that is called the Asian Russia. Okay, so these are the political division. Now one word comes from this, that is USSR. USSR was the group of the some countries of the Europe and the Asia, but it break down in the 1991, and different countries in this USSR. There are the 14 countries of the Europe and the Asia. 9 of these republics are wholly and partly in the Europe, and some are the from the Asia. These are the Estonia, Lithuania, Latvia, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan. The first three voting means these Estonia and Lithuania and the Latvia. These countries are also known as the Baltic state, because because these countries means, if you see these countries, that is the Estonia, Lithuania, and Latvia. These lies on the coast of the Baltic Sea. This is a Baltic Sea, and there is it comes in the coast of the Baltic Sea. So this is known as the Baltic states. And the last three means, that was the Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Georgia are shared with Asia. Another republic, Armenia, though located entirely in the Asia, is often counted as the European countries. Many countries are now part of the European Union, an association whose